Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm Dr. S.K. Singh, and I'm pleased to have you here. Today, we will be exploring the fascinating topic of quality assurance, or QA for short. Our focus will be on its evolution, the reasons behind its development, and the valuable role it plays in various industries. Over the next few slides, we'll delve into how QA has transformed over time, why it is essential, and the benefits it brings to organizations. So, let's get started and see how quality assurance shapes our work and standards today. Ensuring quality, safety, and compliance is absolutely fundamental in the pharmaceutical and regulated industries. These elements form the very foundation of what we do. When we talk about quality, it's not just a vague idea. It's a process that starts with planning, then moves into building it into our systems, verifying it through rigorous checks, and ultimately sustaining it over time. This continuous cycle ensures that the products we develop are safe and effective. Now, quality assurance, or QA, is a key part of this. It's about establishing the origin and purpose of quality within our operations. QA helps us understand why quality matters and how it aligns with regulatory requirements. The regulatory benefits of QA are significant. They help us meet strict industry standards, avoid costly mistakes, and build trust with regulators and customers alike. Overall, the goal of QA is to create a culture where quality is ingrained in every step we take, supporting the entire mission of delivering safe, reliable products in a highly regulated environment. Quality assurance, or QA, is all about the systematic, planned, and well-documented activities that we undertake to make sure our products consistently meet certain standards. These standards are not arbitrary. They include the intended use of the product, regulatory requirements, and the expectations of both customers and patients. Essentially, QA is about building quality into every step of the process to ensure safety, efficacy, and compliance. When we look at the guidelines from WHO GMP and ICH Q10, QA encompasses several critical areas. First, there's the Quality Management System, or QMS, which provides the framework for maintaining quality across all operations. Then, risk management plays a key role, identifying potential issues early and mitigating them before they impact the product. Documentation is also vital, as it provides traceability and ensures accountability throughout the process. Compliance oversight is another important aspect, making sure we adhere to all regulatory standards and internal policies. And finally, continuous improvement is at the heart of QA, constantly evaluating our processes and seeking ways to enhance quality and efficiency. So, in summary, QA is not just a one-time check. It's a comprehensive, ongoing commitment to quality that spans management, risk, documentation, compliance, and continuous improvement, integral to delivering safe, effective products that meet both regulatory standards and patient needs. Let's talk about the protection of patient safety, which is at the core of everything we do. Ensuring compliance with global regulatory laws is essential to prevent product failures, recalls, and regulatory actions like 483s or warning letters. By maintaining high standards, we can also assure data integrity and product consistency throughout the entire life cycle. Building trust with regulators and customers is vital, and that's where quality assurance plays a crucial role. According to WHO, QA ensures that our products are fit for their intended use, meet all regulatory requirements, and importantly, do not put patients at risk. Moving to ICH Q10, we see that QA is a fundamental part of an effective pharmaceutical quality system, covering every stage of the product lifecycle. From the US FDA perspective, QA provides confidence that all quality requirements will be fulfilled, giving everyone reassurance that our products are safe and effective. So, why is quality assurance so critical? It's driven by both regulatory demands and business needs. We need QA not just to stay compliant, but to ensure the safety and trustworthiness of our products, protecting patients and supporting our reputation in the industry. Before 1900, quality was mainly based on inspection and craftsmanship. Companies relied on skilled workers to catch defects, but there were no formal systems in place to manage quality systematically. Because of this, defects were only identified after the products were already made, which often led to costly rework or customer dissatisfaction. Fast forward to the period between 1920 and 1940, we see the introduction of statistical quality control. This was a significant shift, as it focused on using data and statistics to monitor quality. However, at that time, the main goal was still to detect defects rather than prevent them from happening in the first place. This early chapter in the evolution of quality shows how companies started to move from simple inspection to more scientific approaches, setting the stage for the comprehensive quality systems we use today. It's a fascinating look at how our understanding of quality has developed over time, which is a key part of the overall story of continuous improvement. Let's take a look at how quality assurance has evolved over the decades. Between 1950 and 1970, there was a significant shift from simply inspecting products to implementing comprehensive quality systems. This change marked a move towards a more proactive approach, emphasizing process control to ensure quality at every stage. Moving into the 1980s and 1990s, we saw the introduction of Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP regulations, which set strict standards for production. Alongside that, validation and documentation became critical, helping to verify that processes consistently produce quality products. This era also embraced a preventive quality approach, focusing on preventing issues before they occur rather than just catching them afterward. From the year 2000 onward, the focus shifted even further. We now talk about risk-based quality management, which prioritizes resources based on potential risks. The life cycle approach to quality covers the entire product journey, from development through to post-market. Additionally, science and data-driven quality assurance ensures decisions are based on solid evidence, making the process more precise and reliable. Overall, this evolution reflects a movement toward more integrated, science-based, and preventive quality systems, which are essential for maintaining high standards in today's complex manufacturing environments. Let's take a closer look at what mandates quality assurance, or QA, across the pharmaceutical industry. QA is not just a best practice, it's a requirement by several key regulations and guidelines. For example, the WHO GMP standards emphasize the importance of QA in ensuring product quality and safety. Similarly, the U.S. FDA regulations, specifically 21 CFR Parts 210 and 211, set out strict expectations for quality systems in manufacturing. In the European Union, EU GMP guidelines also highlight the critical role of QA. And internationally, the ICH guidelines provide a harmonized framework, covering various aspects of pharmaceutical development and manufacturing. Notably, ICH Q8 focuses on pharmaceutical development, Q9 on quality risk management, and Q10 on the pharmaceutical quality system. QA's role goes beyond just checking for compliance at a single point. It's about ensuring compliance throughout the entire product lifecycle. Since the early 2000s, there's been a shift towards a risk-based and science-based approach. This means making decisions based on solid scientific data and risk assessments, rather than just following checklists. Key initiatives like ICH Q8, which introduced quality by design, Q9 for risk management, and Q10 for the overall pharmaceutical quality system, have reinforced this approach. They emphasize critical concepts such as data integrity, which is essential for trust in the data supporting product quality. They also promote a life cycle approach, viewing quality as a continuous process, not a one-time effort. Together, these guidelines encourage continuous improvement, always seeking ways to enhance product quality and manufacturing processes. And importantly, QA is increasingly seen as a strategic function within organizations, rather than just a compliance requirement. It's about embedding quality into every aspect of the business to support safe, effective, and high-quality products. Now, let's talk about the regulatory importance of quality assurance. QA plays a crucial role in ensuring that we meet all the necessary compliance standards, including GMP, GLP, GDP, and GCP. These are essential guidelines that help us maintain high quality and safety in our products. QA also ensures that our deviation management, out of specification, OOS, results, CAPA processes, and change control systems are effective and well-maintained. This is vital for identifying issues early and implementing corrective actions promptly. Another key aspect is audit and inspection readiness. QA acts as our interface during inspections, helping us demonstrate that our manufacturing processes meet regulatory expectations. This is important not just for passing inspections, but also for building trust with regulators and stakeholders. Ultimately, all these efforts aim to safeguard patient safety and ensure product efficacy. By complying with regulatory requirements and preventing deviations, failures, or recalls, QA helps us maintain consistency and reliability in our manufacturing processes. This, in turn, builds confidence, not just with regulators but also with our customers, showing that we are committed to quality and safety at every step. So, the reasons for implementing strong QA processes are clear. They protect patients, uphold our reputation, and ensure we deliver safe, effective products consistently. Now, let's talk about the importance of establishing and maintaining a robust quality management system, or QMS. This is the foundation that ensures our products meet the highest quality standards. Central to this are our approval and control processes for key documents and records, such as SOPs, specifications, and batch records. These documents guide our operations and must be carefully managed and approved to ensure consistency and compliance. In addition, oversight of deviations, out-of-specification results, and CAPA, corrective and preventive actions, is critical. We need to identify issues promptly, investigate root causes, and implement effective solutions to prevent recurrence. Change control is another vital aspect. Any modifications to processes or products must go through a structured review to assess impact and ensure continued quality. Validation and qualification activities are ongoing to confirm that our systems and processes perform as intended. This helps us maintain confidence in our operations and product integrity. Being prepared for audits and regulatory inspections is also essential. Having everything organized and ready demonstrates our commitment to compliance. Finally, the product release decision is a key responsibility of the QA team. We must verify that all quality criteria are met before releasing a product to the market, safeguarding patient safety and regulatory compliance. Overall, these responsibilities form the backbone of quality assurance, ensuring that every product we deliver is safe, effective, and compliant with industry standards. Let's talk about the key benefits of implementing strong quality assurance from a regulatory perspective. First, improved product quality and consistency are fundamental. When quality is consistent, we not only meet but often exceed regulatory expectations. This leads to fewer regulatory observations and warning letters, which can be costly and damaging to reputation. By minimizing batch failures and recalls, we ensure smoother operations and better customer trust. Enhanced operational efficiency means we can produce more reliable products faster and with less waste. This directly supports a stronger brand reputation and increased market trust, which are crucial in a competitive landscape. Consistent compliance with GMP requirements is vital for maintaining good standing with regulatory agencies. When we adhere strictly to these standards, the risk of recalls, regulatory observations, and import alerts drops significantly. It also improves inspection outcomes, making audits less stressful and more successful. Strong data integrity and traceability are core elements of a robust quality system. They enable faster regulatory approvals because we can quickly demonstrate compliance and traceability of our products. In summary, all these benefits, better product quality, fewer regulatory issues, improved efficiency, and stronger reputation, are interconnected. They form the foundation for sustainable success and trust in our products and processes. When we talk about quality assurance, it's important to understand that it's not just a department or a team. It's actually a system that underpins how we operate across the board. QA is responsible for ensuring compliance with regulations, maintaining consistency in our processes, and driving continuous improvement. These are the core pillars that help us deliver quality at every step. Modern QA has evolved beyond just checking boxes. It's now risk-based, meaning we focus on identifying and mitigating potential issues before they become problems. It's proactive, anticipating challenges rather than just reacting to them. And, of course, it's patient-centric, keeping the patient's safety and experience at the heart of everything we do. A key point to remember is that quality isn't the responsibility of just one department. It's everyone's responsibility, but it's led and coordinated by QA. That leadership role is crucial for fostering a culture of quality throughout the organization. In conclusion, viewing QA as a strategic function highlights its importance beyond day-to-day tasks. It's about embedding quality into our strategic goals and operations, ensuring that we consistently meet and exceed standards. When QA is integrated as a strategic function, it becomes a vital driver of success and safety in everything we do. For further support, please contact us. If you have any questions or need additional information, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you succeed and want to ensure you have all the resources you need. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to working with you.